The wig I actually ordered is 36 inches, but this is a 613 wig and they go up to 40 inches. I don't usually find that with 613 hair, and a lot of you all have been asking about that. So I just want y'all to know they're gonna go up to 40 and all that. I was being a little cheap. I buy all these wigs myself, and I was like, I'm just gonna settle for the 36 inch because I don't want to spend that much. But this should be my wig to see Nicki Minaj. I want to do pink and all of that, so I'm pretty excited. We're going to go ahead and open this. Before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. So this will be the first video I'm recording on my Sony ZV-1 camera. I just want to see how it looks. There's like this autofocus thing to where like if I put this in my face, like it's gonna focus on this. But I just want to see how it looks. The hair I'm currently wearing is my Kiss Love Deep Wave wig. I also recently just got another 613 wig. This one is only 30 inches. This is from Be Like Self. I just did the unboxing. They only go up to 30 inches. So we're gonna compare these two wigs when I actually open this. So this is, let me see. So now I can use my phone now that I'm actually recording on a camera. At first I was recording on my phone. So this wig is, oh, okay, so it's not 36 inches. It's 38 inches, 180% density, and a 13x4 wig. So like always, make sure you ask these companies, hey, do you have the 38 inch 180% density wig in stock before you actually order, so it won't take too long. I ordered this wig May 25th and it came June 2nd, so it took 7 days to come. Exactly. I did see it was already in my city on the 1st, but like I guess we don't have like a DHL here to where it went to Portland and then it had to be delivered to Beaverton, which is like the suburbs of Portland kind of. So here it is. It feels like this is a really stuffed bag, you all. Like it feels really full. That's a great sign. I'm still trying to learn how to make this camera look the best and all of that. So bear with me if this video looks a little trash. Like, okay. So, okay, here's the wig. I did get a body wave wig too. They showed me a straight wig and it looked beautiful. I also usually ask for pictures of wigs. They showed me straight, looked beautiful. They didn't show me body waves, but I just ordered anyway because that straight was giving. But, oh, they gave a lot of little presents in here. So, you have all of these pens. That's really cool. So you have like, they gave me 6 pens. And just so you all know, I don't tell them I record YouTube videos or anything like that before I order or even after I order, anything like that. So I guess they just put that in all their orders. Wig cap, most brands do that. 2 pairs of lashes. I'm just gonna throw these away. Wait, 3 pairs of lashes. Okay, now to this wig. So let's see what we have here. This is how it looks, pretty long. Of course, it's not stretched. It's in this body wave state. Let's see. This should be that Nicki wig. I'm pretty excited about that. Oh God, these things always get stuck to me. So excited to see Nicki Minaj, Nicki Lewinsky. So looking at this lace, it looks really good. Like this lace looks invisible. Looks fantastic. Very thin, just everything you want from lace. The hair does smell kind of like, it smells kind of warehousey, like my garage a little bit. I will say that. I was like, what is that? But okay, let's start from the top. The lace looks good, looks nice. Like this is gonna be super easy to work with. I feel like all 613 wigs usually have really good lace. I should have ordered 2 of these and just went ahead and dyed one black. But okay, so here is the inside of the wig. It's like the middle, you get the full 4 inches and the 2 little inches on the side, which I really don't like too much. 6 Since this is so long, I'm probably gonna do a middle part because that's just the look I want to do, so it won't be bad this time. But this is really nice. Like, I should have ordered 2 of these so I could dye one black, because I was trying to get a 40-inch black wig, but nobody had them ready. I would have to wait at least 14 business days to get a 40-inch wig. I'm sorry, so my reflection is right here, so I would probably been looking at my reflection and not the camera. But okay, so let's look at the inside. You got combs, just the wig type of things, and here is the length. Let's scoot back. I'm 5'7". I guess I should stand up and show you all. This is a pretty long wig. Here's where the wig falls on me. Like, this is it, like still curled up and all of that. So it will probably go, I think my leggings are see-through, you guys. But stretch, I will probably straighten it. It literally goes past my butt. Like, I've had companies try to pass off 40 inches that was shorter than this. Let me get my measuring tape and see how long this hair really is. Okay, here's my measuring tape. So, I paid, like, y'all, $6.13 hair is kind of expensive. So that's another reason why I was being a little cheap. So this wig was $458. It's a little expensive, y'all. Do like this lace a lot, and this hair seems good. For 180% density, this is really thick. Like, this is beautiful, you guys. So let's measure it. I'll put the tape right here. Just without stretching it, it comes to 34 inches. So I'm holding it up here. So without stretching, it comes like literally, like, let me show you all. So you all don't think I'm lying or anything. Like, there's 34. Like, the hair is like 33 inches without stretching the hair at all. So that's pretty good. Stretching the hair, you get a true 38 inches. Okay. Like, you see, it's a true 38 inches. I am living. Okay, Emma, I may double back and go ahead and order another. Oh my goodness. I thought he was pulling on my wig. I may go ahead. Oh, he really is. Time, how could you? He got a little blonde hair hanging from his mouth. But, see, it's really long. My little baby wants to pull on it. But yeah, here's the wig. The ends are full and all of that. It's really pretty. And I'm usually scared to get a 180% density because I usually like my hair a little thicker and all that. So I'm actually really happy with this wig. The thickness is great. It has some heaviness to it. Like, this is a full, beautiful wig. Oh. Yeah, this is definitely going to be the Nikki wig. Oh, I can compare it to this one. The Be Like Self wig. So it's just been thrown across my little desk thing. So comparing these two, like, okay, here's each. Let me try to make this one look a little better. I'm sorry. I literally just threw it up there. So yeah, I mean, this one is thicker, but it's 250% density. And here's this one. So they only go to 30 inches. So if you want anything longer than that, if you're a tall girly and you want it to come past your butt or to your butt, then you would probably want to go with this one. I'm going to work on that wig probably either tonight or tomorrow. And then I'll work on this wig probably a little closer to the concert. I will probably double back and get another wig before I even start to work on this one because I really love this. It's so long. I'm really going to check out Amma and see if they have any other wigs. If I can get a 1B wig from them without having to actually dye a 613 wig. When looking for a good vendor on Aliexpress, like, you want to see some bad reviews. If every review is 5 stars, then they probably changed the reviews. They probably paid people. They're probably fake. If there's no bad reviews, then something's a little sus. So definitely be mindful of that. You can go to the 1 stars. Like, you all see, I don't know if you've been on Aliexpress, like, so here, there's, oops. There's like a little questions and answers tab. This only shows on the cell phone for some reason, not on the computer. But people ask questions, and a lot of times you see somebody like they'll answer everybody's question like, don't buy, don't buy. You see that a lot on companies, so I definitely trust like this part a lot. I trust like the questions list a lot. Reviews, iffy sometimes. But this wig looks fantastic. I am in love. It looks beautiful. So shiny, very long, true to length, and all of that. So I'm super happy. Like, it's gonna be giving. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be so, I'm so excited to see Nikki. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. Bye, guys.